What's up, everybody? This is your boy Murray3K, and this video isn't going to be too in-depth. I'm not going to do a lot of technical hands-on stuff at this time because there is a huge learning curve to get used to the controls for this, and that would just be a whole nother video that we might have coming in the future. But this is the Govee Bluetooth control LED light strip. This is the perfect light strip for those who don't want to put link an account to something that they can't trust or don't know if they can trust. If they want to keep that off their home network, you control it through Bluetooth. Not to say that you're not vulnerable to a hack through Bluetooth, because you are, but a lot of people requested this. They said, hey, do you know of any Bluetooth lighting strips where I don't have to hook up my Wi-Fi to it? And I'm like, yeah, well, at the time I hadn't done any reviews on any of those, but I found one. And here it is. It's fully customizable. You can change the colors, the chasing scheme. I have a rainbow chasing scheme right now where it's going through the old Roy G. Biv. And so here it is, and it's very impressive. About 16 feet, wraps around the door frame wonderfully. I don't have it permanently mounted. I just want to stretch it out so you guys can see it. You use the Govee app to control it. Now, an account is not required to set this up, but if you do want to save your customized features, they set it up where you do have to make an account. So, yeah, on that, but you don't have to hook it up to your home network, and that's a bit of a plus. Well, there'll be a link for this in the description below. I hope you guys have found this at least entertaining, especially if you're in the market for a Bluetooth controlled LED lighting strip. Thank you guys for watching. Keep on watching, like and subscribe, and live the dream.